If you have a house in Oregon, Ohio that you inherited, or if you have a house in Oregon that is going through the probate process, this video is for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I has been buying properties in and around Oregon, Ohio, and we've worked with many sellers who have inherited a property, so we're very familiar with the process, and we understand that sometimes when you're inheriting a house, it could be a bit complicated. There could be paperwork involved, maybe there's attorneys involved and the courts involved. So we already know there could be already some, stress involved with the situation that you're going through. So the last thing we're ever going to do is add to the stress. In fact, one of our core values as a company is simplicity, and we're here to keep it simple for you because you probably already have enough on your plate, and the last thing you need is more added stress. So the way we're going to keep it simple when buying your house in Oregon, Ohio, is we're going to buy the house in its as-is condition. And this is very convenient for you because you're not going to be expected to fix anything or clean anything or haul anything away. And our offer is not relying, or what I should say is the money that we're using to buy your house in Oregon, it's a cash transaction. So we're not relying on some outside mortgage company to approve this transaction. That's what you're going to find typically with one of these traditional buyers, where maybe they're working with a real estate agent and then they expect you to pay commissions and fees, and all of that comes out of your pocket. But also, if they're relying on a traditional mortgage company lender to close this transaction, you're giving up all your control to this lender, because this is not going to close until the lender approves it. They're going to want to send through a formal inspection, formal appraisal, and at the end of the day, they're just going to nitpick your house, and it could turn into a lot of hoops that you need to jump through that are very unnecessary. Because when you sell to us, we'll buy it in its as-is condition. It's going to be a cash transaction, and then we'll close this transaction when you want to. So you maintain all control here. So you're going to have clarity when the closing is going to be because you pick the closing date. And if you need, or if you want to close something quickly, we can accommodate your needs. Or if you need flexibility, if there's other family members involved and we got to pick a future date, whatever the case may be, we could accommodate your needs. So if you have inherited a house in Oregon, Ohio, and you want to get a fair cash offer, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website, but that's just because we were founded in Columbus. We're all over Ohio. We're very active in Oregon, Ohio, all over Toledo, and all over the great state of Ohio. And when we get on the phone with you, it's a very easy conversation. We just need to know more about the house and know more about the timeline that you're looking to sell. We're going to make you a fair cash offer on the property, and then if our offer works for you, great, we'll move forward and communicate with you very transparently throughout this entire process. If our offer doesn't work for you, no crime, no foul. We'll simply shake hands and part as friends. We're never going to apply unnecessary pressure, gimmicks, or sales tactics. We're going to treat you like a neighbor because that's exactly what we are. This is not some call center located in some foreign distant land who's trying to talk about your house in Ohio. So our number, once again, is 614-300-5151. Our website is sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.